Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Powerapps versus Outsystem versus Mendix comparison video. Now, for Power Apps, I would say simply if your products are based around Microsoft only, then Power Apps is a good option for you. If you are someone who needs to work with many complex systems and a lot of features, then Outsystems will be the better option for you. And for Mendix, you have all of these things that are low code, but sometimes they do have um, other things. So let's look at an overview. For Power Apps, the functionality, they say that it is a holistic platform for developing simple business apps. For complex apps, you need to work with a lot of formulas. The platform suits you when you already use the Microsoft ecosystem. Just as I said, that if your products are based around the Microsoft ecosystem, then Power Apps should be a good option for you. Also, Power Apps, they do not provide that many integrations as the other ones because, as I said, mostly it is Microsoft based. Next up, for Mendix, the functionality is that it offers comprehensive solutions in the application lifecycle development, testing, integration, implementation, and maintenance. It has a local test environment and offers continuous quality assurance. Moreover, it has excellent logging and monitoring capabilities. And then for support, it has the largest user community. Now, that might be a beneficial thing for you, especially if you're a beginner and you're facing a lot of issues and you need to constantly get updates or support, then obviously this will help. And then for OutSystem, it offers functionalities for IT people who prefer to tweak to accelerate app development. Unlike others, you can determine the visibility of attributes by yourself in OutSystems. The AI and IoT integration functionalities are mature compared to their peers, but it does not offer a local test environment like Mendix. So, if the local test environment is a major issue for you, then I would say go with Mendix, things like that. And this is the basic differences between these three. I would say if you're really inclining towards one, then see their features, go to the website, see their features, and see what they provide. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.